It's a 2018 Chrysler Pacifica. Versatility, safety, connectivity, beauty. To a T, this is the Pacifica. It comes nicely equipped with features you love. Remote engine start smart device, front heated leather bucket seats, Bluetooth wireless audio streaming, Park Sense Park Assist, active noise cancellation, Apple CarPlay Android Auto, dual zone climate control, V6 engine, aluminum wheels, and automatic transmission. Car and Driver notes, amazingly, through the blizzard of new tech and safety equipment the Pacifica brings, the most impressive item is still Chrysler's super clever stow-and-go second row seats that drop into the floor to expand cargo capacity. Chrysler, where top-flight engineering meets affordable luxury. They say a journey begins with one step. In this case, it begins with a test drive. Start your next adventure today.
We're conveniently located at 3400 Highway 61 North in White Bear Lake, Minnesota.